Inflation keeps rising, prices keep climbing, and every time you check your bank account, it feels like your money shrank while you weren't looking. You save, you plan, you cut back, yet somehow your dollars buy less and less every single month. And the scariest part is that most people don't even realize how fast their savings are being eaten away until it's too late.
Hey, real quick, before we jump into the video, please take some time to read the full disclaimer on the screen.
Today, you're going to learn exactly why inflation quietly drains your wealth, and 3 investments that are built to fight back, protect your money, and grow it, even when inflation is roaring across the country. Before we dive in, ask yourself something. If inflation kept rising at this pace for the next 5 years, what would your financial life look like? Would you be fine, or would it hurt? Think about it for a moment and drop your answer in the comments because your situation might help someone else who feels alone in this nightmare. Now here's the truth no one wants to tell you. If your money is sitting in a basic savings account, it's losing value every single day. You might feel safe because the number in the account doesn't move, but the power of that number shrinks. That's the trick inflation plays. It doesn't touch the digits, it attacks what those digits can buy. Think about the price of groceries. Milk, eggs, bread. Everything feels more expensive than it was just a year ago. And while we all complain about prices being high, very few people actually take action to protect their savings from being wiped out by this invisible financial thief. But you're here watching this video, which already puts you ahead of 90% of people. Today, I'm giving you 3 powerful, time-tested investments that have historically protected Americans from inflation again and again. Not hype, not get-rich-quick schemes, real options that everyday people can use to fight back. But before I reveal the first one, let me ask you something important. Why do you think most people avoid learning about investing? Is it fear, confusion, lack of trust? Or do they just feel like it's too late to start? And where do you stand in all of that? Tell me in the comments, because your perspective might help someone finally take that first step. All right, let's break down the first investment that can help protect your money from getting eaten alive. The first one is something many people ignore even though it's historically one of the strongest shields against inflation. It's real estate. Not the fancy, unreachable kind where you need millions. I'm talking about simple, everyday real estate, rental properties, small homes in growing areas, or even fractional ownership through real estate platforms. Here's why it works. When inflation rises, rents rise too. Property values rise. That means while everything else becomes more expensive, your investment becomes more valuable. Instead of being crushed by inflation, you're pushing back against it. Plus, real estate produces something that inflation can't erase: consistent monthly income. Imagine money coming to you every month simply because you own something that people will always need, a place to live. Inflation forces prices up, but it also pushes rents up. And if you own the property, that works in your favor. Have you ever considered owning real estate, even in a small way? If you have, or if you're thinking about it, let me know in the comments. I'm really curious what kind of real estate people feel most comfortable starting with. Now, before we move on, if you're finding this breakdown helpful so far and want more videos on protecting and growing your money, take a second to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs financial clarity right now. Inflation hits everyone, and your share might literally help someone save their future. Okay. On to the second inflation-resistant investment. And this one is incredibly powerful because it's essentially built by the government for moments exactly like this. I'm talking about something safe, stable, and surprisingly profitable when inflation spikes. Treasury inflation-protected securities, also known as TIPS. These aren't normal bonds. These are special bonds designed so that as inflation rises, the value of the bond rises too. It's like having an investment that automatically adjusts itself to protect your money from losing value. Think of it this way. If regular bonds get crushed during inflation because fixed payments don't keep up with rising prices, TIPS do the opposite. They increase their payout and their value as inflation climbs. They're like a shield that flexes upward when prices go up. It's one of the few investments where inflation actually helps you instead of hurting you. A lot of people don't know tips exist because they're not flashy. They don't have hype. They don't trend on social media. But wealthy investors use them quietly in the background to protect their portfolios while everyone else is panicking. Have you ever wondered why wealthy people don't freak out during inflation? It's because their money is sitting in assets that move with inflation, not against it. Have you ever heard of tips before this video? And do you think something like this could fit into your investment approach? Tell me your thoughts down below because I'm curious how many of you already knew about this tool. Now let's move to the third investment. And this one is the most exciting because it doesn't just protect money from inflation. It can multiply wealth even during difficult economic times. This investment category has a long history of outperforming inflation and growing in value as the dollar weakens. It's something nearly every major investor, every major economy, and even entire governments depend on. The third investment is commodities. Things like gold, silver, energy, and even certain agricultural assets. Gold especially has been a go-to inflation fighter for centuries. When people lose faith in the value of their currency, they turn to gold because it's stable, rare, and recognized globally. You don't need to buy gold bars to benefit either. You can invest through gold ETFs, gold-backed digital assets, or mining companies. Commodities like energy, oil and natural gas, also rise when inflation rises because the cost of producing, shipping, and using these resources increases. That means the investment moves with inflation, not against it. Let me ask you something. If the dollar lost half its value tomorrow, what asset would you trust the most to protect your wealth? Would it be real estate, government-backed securities, gold, something else entirely? Drop your answer in the comments because I want to see which asset people believe in the most. Now, let's tie everything together so you walk away fully equipped. Inflation is not something you can ignore. It silently drains your money while you sleep, and the longer you wait to do something, the more you lose. But you're not powerless. You have tools. Real estate protects you by rising in value and producing income. Tips. Protect you by increasing with inflation. Commodities protect you by holding value and often climbing when the dollar weakens. The real question is not whether inflation will continue. It always does. The real question is whether you're going to let it erode your financial future or whether you're going to stand up and fight back with smart investments. And honestly, I want to know, which of these three do you feel is the strongest inflation fighter? Which one would you personally invest in first? Leave your thoughts in the comments so we can learn from each other. Before we continue, if you've gotten value from this video so far, make sure you hit the like button because it tells the YouTube algorithm that this content deserves to reach more people. And if you're enjoying the simple breakdowns and want more videos that help you save smarter, invest wisely, and protect your financial future, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. Now here's something important that most people overlook: diversification. These three investments don't just protect you individually, they become incredibly powerful when used together in the right balance. Imagine having part of your money in real estate generating consistent rent checks, part of your money in tips rising automatically with inflation, and part of your money in commodities holding strong no matter what the market does. That's not just protection. That's strategy. That's financial strength. Inflation might be unavoidable, but being broke because of inflation is not. You don't have to feel helpless watching your dollars lose purchasing power every month. You don't have to panic when food, gas, and housing prices go up. You can prepare. You can defend yourself. You can choose to put your money into assets that don't just survive inflation. They push back against it. If you've ever felt like the financial system is stacked against regular people, here's your chance to level the playing field. You're learning what wealthy people already know. Money is safest when it's tied to real value, not just sitting in a bank account fading away. But let me ask you one last thought-provoking question before we wrap up. What do you think is the biggest mistake people make with their money during inflation? Is it saving too much in cash? Waiting too long to invest? Not learning about their options? Or simply pretending inflation isn't real? Tell me in the comments. Your answer might change how someone else thinks about their financial future. If you want more videos like this, simple, clear, and focused on protecting your financial life, make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs it. And trust me, someone you know definitely needs this information right now. Thanks for watching.